Hey, what's the deal? It's Randall. We here at Autorama 2021 Georgia Brown Convention Center in Houston, Texas. Got my man Super Saiyan Blue 392. Like I said in the last video, I'm gonna show y'all his car, so I'm gonna make sure I do that. My man got his robe on, you know, so he is in character. He put the car show drip on. I got Simone, my SS. You know, got Joker, got Basket. You know, we got everybody out here.
Yes,
so
indeed.
It's the last day of the car show. You know, we just having a little bit of fun. You know, talking with all the owners, meeting new people, all that good stuff. So it's been a good week, good weekend, and it's time to get back to it. And so I'm gonna just show y'all a little bit of what I see, a little bit of the people we got here. Hey, we're gonna have a good time, so y'all stay tuned. All right, so here's my man Super Saiyan Blue 392. Got a B5 Blue Scat Pack Charger. You know, it's done up. Of course, it's gonna be Dragon Ball Z theme. As you can see, he's brought the theme out in different areas of the vehicle. You got the coolant tank cover, the firewall cover, you got the half covers, you even got a Dragon Ball Z strut bar. And so pretty much when you're building a show car like this, you want to make sure you go all the way. He even got a signature at one of the car shows we went to from one of the voice of Goku, the character. And so, you know, his car's been seen by a lot of different parties. You know, in these headlights, you know, it takes a little bit more work, but we actually did a two-tone in the headlights. So you see he has the Dragon Ball Z etching, Lighter Trends, Flow Series DRLs, and then we had a two-tone paint. Wheels, Lexani forged wheels, you know, three-piece custom ordered. And as you can see, with the blue and the orange theme, he even took it into the rotor. For the rotor ring, we got those painted. You got your three-piece hardware painted. The brakes are painted. You know, my man's going all out. That's the way to do it. You know, when you're gonna theme these cars out, you wanna make sure everything goes together. It all coordinates, and that's kind of how we do it. And so hood also, Blackouts Auto Works hood. Just a couple of custom touches. I mean, you don't gotta go too crazy. You know, even the door handles, like I say, little stuff like this helps you get points in car shows. You know, custom door handles, the door trim, all of this is hydro dipped, and so that allows you to put patterns on different parts of the car, and you know, just bring your theme to the inside. And so, you know, my man loves Dragon Ball Z, and so, you know, it's just all about putting your spin on things. And so we go to the trunk. You know, it does have air ride on this one. That's why it's sitting real nice and mean. And this one we have an airlift three-piece setup. You know, a couple more Dragon Ball Z memorabilia. And that's pretty much it. So nice clean build. Nothing too crazy, but you know, you just put your spin on it, and it takes time. You know, cars like this take time. It's not an overnight thing. You don't get one trip in the shop and you get your car looking like this. As you put more modifications on it, it's gonna continue to grow and turn into something cool. And so it's my man Super Saiyan. Here we have my man F8 Hellcat. He's gonna have a Hellcat charger. As you can see, we have the Anderson Composites Demon hood. He has a custom wrap on this one. You know, custom colored carbon fiber. Lines kit, wide body kit, carbon fiber front lip. My man has his car fully kitted out. And so with the wheels, you got the LD97 wheels on here. Three-piece with the matte back, gloss black lip. Gives it nice contrast. Leg maker cold air intake. You know, carbon fiber mirror caps. Shout out to my man Vic, he did these as well. My man even has a carbon fiber antenna. You know, on my car I have a blue antenna, he has the F8 green carbon fiber antenna on his. And so little details like that, you know, help you win car shows and help you get exposure. And so, you know, you got the carbon fiber skirts. The lip on the rear wheel is something serious. You know, these I believe are 13 inches in the back. And so he's one of the first wide body Lions kits that we have in town. The stance is nice and mean. Air ride setup pretty straightforward. Got the tank compressors themed out to match the car. And then you got the Corsa exhaust to make the noise when you're cranking it up. And here's just more of an extreme build, but it's still simple, nice and clean. Like I said, it's all about putting your spin on things. His car is themed Battle Cat, which is a TV show. My man's doing a good job, so we're gonna keep it up with this one as well.